So India-Russia relations and Putin's recent visit. Putin landed at Palam Airport. Palam Airport is a military airport. He did not land at Indira Gandhi Airport. It was first summit of Putin in India since 2021. We have this annual summit, but Putin was not able to visit in the previous years because of Russia-Ukraine war. So they have signed a new roadmap of economic cooperation. The aim is to take the trade to $100 billion by 2030. If you look at the current figures, they are $68 billion, and 64 billion is the surplus of Russia. So India exports only 4 billion worth of goods to Russia. 2 plus 2 dialogue we have with Russia since 2021. 2 plus 2 dialogue, this question has come in UPSC prelims, is basically between finance ministers and defense ministers of the countries. So 2 plus 2 is the dialogue between finance ministers and defense ministers. Remember, not the prime minister, but the finance minister and defense minister. We have 2 plus 2 dialogue with USA, Japan, Australia and Russia. So Russia is the fourth country with whom we have this dialogue. So S-400 deal, they are going to give us 5 squadron. 3 have already been delivered, 2 more are to be delivered in future. So one squadron consists of around 100 to 150 batteries. No precise information was found on internet regarding this. Civil nuclear cooperation, they are helping us in Kudankulam. Russia is designing this plant and they have already started working on this. The other countries are not forthcoming on this because of India's civil nuclear liability clause, which talks about unlimited liability. So Kamau helicopters 226T is what Russia is jointly manufacturing in partnership with Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. So they are going to manufacture 200 helicopters, out of which 60 are to be delivered directly from Russia to India. The rest are to be manufactured in India. Sukhoi 57 and F-35 Lightning II. You should know about this. Russia wants to sell its Sukhoi 57 to India, while United States want to sell its F-35. So there is a competition between these two. Remember, 57 is the 57th design of Sukhoi helicopters by Russia, and 35 is 35th design of fighter jets by United States of America. And Lightning II, Lightning 1 series was used by United States in World War II, and this is Lightning II series. Thank you.